Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here to share this journal with you. This is another flip flap journal, only it's a little different than before. I kind of did it a little differently, yet kind of the same. Didn't want it to be exactly the same as everything else, so I did it just slightly different. And it has two signatures inside. And this is the front and the spine. I made it out of the same stuff as before, and I used mostly Tim Holtz cardstock in it. And the jute as the closure, like before, with some book corners as well. And there is the front. I really like doing these. These are so fun. I really super like doing these. Now I need to do one kind of even more different with different cardstock. Different style, I should say. With this one I have a little pocket on the front that I collaged. And there's without the tags. And I just made a little booklet here with one of these little Tim Holtz clippy things. Just clip that ticket on there. And this is just some extra journaling spot. And I just added the little ticket because I thought it made it look cute. These are almost too tiny for me to mess with, but I thought that was so cute. And I put that in the pocket. And a little coffee dyed paper on the back with that one. And this is just some extra coffee dyed paper. And then this cute little tag that I did. I think that's so cute. I love that die cut. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. And I just stuck those in there. And I just did the little measuring tab there. And inside the pocket we have this journaling card with this very old vintage ticket on there. I wish I could find some more of those. I love those tickets. And then this flips over. Here we have a little cute collage pocket right there with this cute little tag. I love that little girl. She's so cute. And I put it on that brown, I want to say it's construction paper. If I could see where I put it. Of course I can't. But it's kind of like construction paper. I backed it with that. And over here we have another collaged pocket with another little tab on there. I just think that's so cute. And I embossed on this little die cut is embossed. And then we have these two tags. Just tuck that in there. Actually, I put this one behind because I liked the little girl to stick out a little bit like that. And then up here we have, behind there is another tag right here. And then you flip this one open and here is a tag, pocket with the tag, with this little collage tag. And those were fun to make as well. Then over here is just for journaling. I just like this and I just added that little piece right there. So this one flips open and we have this little pocket, vellum pocket with this little cluster, which I think is so cute. I love those. And then this tag. And you can tuck also behind the pocket, you know, like back here. And I just stuck this one inside the pocket right there. I couldn't put too much more in here because I didn't want it to be like falling apart, stuffed. And here we have a Tim Holtz journaling card. And then you flip this over and we have this cute little envelope, and I just put a couple little tickets inside. These tickets are so old and they're so cute. Oh my goodness, I love these. And then I just put Nourish Your Soul right here on some corrugated paper. And this cute journaling card here, backed with coffee dyed paper. Or it's a tag, not a card. Oh my goodness, I get those all mixed. I say, when I watch my own videos back, I'm like, good grief, I wish I knew how to edit, because sometimes I say the wrong person's name, or I say it's a tuck spot when it's a pocket. But y'all know what I mean, right? You get it. And right here is again another little cute cluster there. And I just tied the paper in like I did the other ones right here. I think there's like 5 pieces of paper here. Then you flip this up, and in this pocket we have this journaling card. So I love this. This is the green construction paper instead of the brown. I think it's so cute. And then this paper can be replaced like the other ones. And then we just flip all this back like so. And again, you can flip these any which way you please. Like, you could do it this way if you wanted to, or, you know, whichever way you want to flip them. I just flip them the way I like them best, which is like this. And then you open this up, and there is a big pocket right here with this big journaling card and this vintage postcard, which is too tiny for me to read, but it's from 1958. And I just tucked those both in there. And like the other ones, the signatures don't have a lot of pockets or anything. I just did some stamping, but there is old vintage pages in here. And this is so cute. I love this cluster right here as well. This is an old vintage piece of page, whatever it is. Bridge card, there you go. And then here is another one of my collaged tags. Cards, journaling card. You know me, I'll call them whatever. Another cute little layered paper clip I did. And then this journaling card. Some old map, some tracing paper. And here we have a tuck spot that Trina made. And we put this tag inside. And this is just some extra journaling paper. I just tuck that in there like that. And I stapled on some tabs. And right here is an old, I like this little envelope. It's like a thicker, older one. I don't know. It just feels really nice. And a receipt. And I just tucked that in there and put that there. Really vintage book page, some old music, and then we have this pocket. Oh my goodness, can't even pick it up. With this receipt. I love this pocket right here. I just added the little butterfly. And then this is Tsunami Rose, and we have those 2 tags. And then you open this up, and we have this one, which has a pocket behind it with these 2 tags. Bandit, stop! I don't know why he likes to do that when I'm on camera. Good Lord. We have this big journaling card in this pocket. He doesn't even want anything. He's just laying there whining for no reason. I don't get it. This cute little cluster right there with these 2 little advertisements, I guess. Then this page here. Then this flips open. And we... Oh, I forgot to put a card in there. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to make a tag to go in there. Well, there's a pocket there. We have these 2 little tags right here. And this flips up and then all the way down for journaling. And you just tuck that back in the little butterfly there. And then this little cluster on here. This is an envelope and it opens. And you have this little advertisement there on parchment paper. I think that's parchment paper. Yeah. And then you close that one. Over here we have a pocket with this journaling. This is actually out of that typewriter book. I just cut it out and made it as a piece of ephemera. I tuck that in there. Get off there. And a envelope I made out of old book page. And this envelope I used Patty's. This side is so cute too. I love it. I used Patty's Stain by Patty Pockets on Etsy. I used that on this envelope. Sewed around it. And I just tucked it in there like that. Then we go to the second signature. And again, this one got crooked, but I just left it because I liked the book page. I don't know how I did that, but at least it's not crooked down here. I don't know how it got crooked on the top, but it did. This is typewriter book page. This flips out. Nothing in there. Oops. Here's a little journaling card and a little tuck spot that Trina made right there. Some vellum, and has a pocket. Tim Holtz vellum with this piece of ephemera cut out of some cardstock that he had. And then this one from a DigiKit. I don't remember which. I want to say, I don't remember whose that is. And then this is just some extra coffee dyed paper. That one's got lace on it. I just tucked that right in there. And here we have the other pocket. This piece of ephemera. And this cute tag I made. I think that's so cute. And then this little envelope that doesn't have anything in it. And I just tucked those in there. Like so. And an old bingo card behind it. We have this little journaling spot. I just did some layering and some sewing on the front. And then this tag right here. I just tuck those in like that. Did some layering on stamping on there. Some grid paper. And here is a little tuck spot with these two little tags. Just tucked them in there. Another little one of these. I had a bunch of cutoffs, so I just made a whole bunch of those. So cute. And then in there we have these two pieces of ephemera. I have another pocket with another layered piece right there. And these two pieces of ephemera. I love these repair tags because you can use both sides because they're so cute. I really like that. And the other side of the crooked page on accident. And then we have this back pocket. And in here we have this gorgeous tag. And I made it into a little booklet. I love that. And this is a lined page from one of Artie Mays' journal kits. And then this large tag here. And this this one pulls out so you can put tons of stuff in there. For, put all your letters, bits and bobs in there. Because it's a deep, good, fat pocket. And then we just fold this one over here. This one goes there. And then this all comes this way. Like so. I hope you enjoyed that. And I am going to be making something similar. Not exactly the same. Maybe different size, different flips. But I really enjoy doing these. They're so fun. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe if you aren't, and if you are already, thank you so very much, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.